Okay, we have a Haas model VF2SS vertical machining center. This has a 5-axis capability, serial number 903854. It's new in 2011. We're going to run it for you. Machine has 30-inch X travel, 16 of Y, 20Z. It's a 10,000 RPM spindle. He's moving the X-axis right now. The table size is 36 by 14, but you also have a trunnion table model Haas TR160 on top of it with a 6.3-inch trunnion, platen on the trunnion. He's moving the Y-axis, which is 16-inch travel, and that's your Z, which is 20. It's running the spindle. Nope, trunnion. It's running the trunnion there, okay. And he's also running the trunnion around. So you saw it tilt, and now you saw it rotate. Close one door, we have to, now he's running the spindle. 2,500, again it goes up to 10,000.
That's 4,000.
4,000 RPM, nice and quiet.
7,000.
7,000 RPM. We have a 24 ATC. We're going to simulate a tool change right now. We'll do another. Okay. Machine has a coolant system, and that's about it. Thank you for watching our video.